Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red line up there is coming from. And this is a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint, because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up around there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty shaky. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, the price did pull back. But from the big picture point of view, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective going into it. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur at all, but let's just say that the price actually pulled back even further and came down to 34 cents. Again, not saying this is what's going to happen, but just to kind of prove how the overall chart is still bullish. But the price came down here, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have here? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from a big picture point of view, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's what 34 cents is representing. Again, though, I get it. If you're some sort of scalper or day trader and you bought there, or you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these bigger picture, levels such as 34. But that's why I try to offer up the warning that I would be commenting from more of a broader time horizon point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to build and chip away a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.